Welcome to Learniverse. 10 amazing facts about forest. Biodiversity hotspots. Forests are home to more than 80% of the terrestrial species of animals, plants, and insects. They are some of the most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth, hosting countless species, many of which are still undiscovered. Carbon storage. Forests play a crucial role in mitigating climate change by absorbing and storing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The Amazon rainforest alone is estimated to store around 123 billion tons of carbon. Oxygen production. Through the process of photosynthesis, forests produce a significant portion of the Earth's oxygen. It's estimated that one large tree can provide a day's supply of oxygen for up to 4 people. Medicinal resources. Many modern medicines are derived from forest plants. For example, the bark of the cinchona tree is the source of quinine, a treatment for malaria, and the rosy periwinkle has provided compounds used to treat cancer. Water cycle regulation. Forests play a vital role in the global water cycle by absorbing rainfall, reducing runoff, and promoting groundwater recharge. They also help maintain the quality of freshwater supplies. Cultural importance. Many indigenous communities around the world rely on forests for their livelihoods, cultural practices, and spiritual beliefs. Forests provide food, shelter, and traditional medicines for these communities. Soil conservation. Forest roots help to bind the soil, preventing erosion and maintaining soil fertility. This is crucial for preventing landslides and maintaining productive agricultural land. Climate regulation. Forests influence local and global climates by regulating temperature and humidity levels. They act as natural air conditioners, cooling the surrounding areas through evapotranspiration. Economic value. Forests contribute significantly to the global economy through timber production, non-timber forest products, like nuts, fruits, and resins, and tourism. Sustainable forest management can provide long-term economic benefits. Habitat for endangered species. Forests provide critical habitats for many endangered species, such as the orangutan in Southeast Asia and the giant panda in China. Conservation of forest habitats is essential for their survival. 4.